Next Level Mindset bringing you another powerful and positive video. Content creators are not really using their end screens with a clear call to action. What we want to do is just have at least one clear call to action, pointing them to another video, and I'll show you how to do that here in a minute. If we give our viewers too many options to do too many things, they won't do anything. My end screen, as you see in average, it was at 3%. But now that I'm using a clear call to action with my end screen, I've increased it to 11%. I point to a certain end screen that I want you to watch, and you'll see that here in a minute. What has helped me in my journey is even before I create the video, I think to myself, what would be a next video for someone to watch? If they're watching this video, what do I have in my content library that they may want to watch next? And I keep that in mind so that when this video is coming to an end, I can point them to that end screen with a clear call to action. At the same time that I use a end screen with a clear call to action, I also give the YouTube system an opportunity to make a suggestion. For example, if you go in your back office, you'll check where you put your end screen at. I always have one that I point to, just like I'm doing right there in that example, a clear end screen decision. Check this video out next. But as you see, let me zoom in for you. I always give a little late response for best for viewer. Just in case they've already seen that other video, the YouTube system can also make a suggestion of what video they think they might want to watch. So that's another way to do it for me. A clear call to action for one that I think my viewers would want to watch next, and a late response from the YouTube system just in case they've already seen that. Being able to take a chance and bring something new to the platform. And maybe you're watching this right now and all you really need is some mindset strategies, the mentality of being a content creator. It can get tough sometimes. It really can get tough. I want to share this video with you right here. I think that would be a great video for you to watch next. So check that video out. See me over there. Thanks again for watching and subscribing, becoming a part of the family. Grab some product and take it home with you. Stay blessed. Stay positive. I'll see you on the next level. Peace.